I was wondering if maybe I can give you a chop. Are you down?
Whoa, bro. It's catching up to me. That's why I left today. I was like, fuck Target right now.
Put it down. What's going on, YouTube? We're at Target today and I'm gonna be getting a stranger to get a transformation. I'm gonna be trying out some new content for you guys. I've tried the public haircut videos before. I think the reason why I've stopped doing the public haircuts is because I always do them on the street and I feel like it's really hard to get people to get a haircut on the street, and plus it's really uncomfortable. So might as well just get them to the shop, get them into a comfortable environment where I can actually do the right work and showcase the full transformation. So hopefully I don't get rejected. I'm gonna try to get my first one in and we're gonna take them out to the shop here in Irvine, California. Let's get to work. All right, guys, it's pretty dead. In the meantime, we're gonna be looking for a fit. What do you guys think of these? I'm kidding. These aren't that bad though, I'm not gonna lie. I still haven't asked one person yet, so a little nervous still, but we're just trying to be careful so we don't get kicked out. Sourcing the Jimmys, bro?
Oh, yeah, bro, yeah.
What's up, bro?
Chilling, man. How about you?
Chilling.
You have a question about anything?
Nah, everything's good, bro. To be honest, this is gonna be kind of weird. I'm a barber, bro. I just moved here and I just saw your hair, bro. It's fucking crazy, bro. Yeah. I was wondering if maybe I can give you a chop.
Shit. Like, I'm down probably for another time. I mean, I just got here right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Like, when are you gonna be?
I'm closing today.
You're closing?
Yeah.
Bro, just take a little lunch, bro. We're kind of local here, like 5 minutes away.
Yeah.
You know, it'll be a free cut. I can show you my work and.
I just got in, bro. I really don't think I can do it.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me show you some pictures, bro. I'll show you some pictures and then you can decide. Just take a quick little lunch. It'll take an hour. It'll be free, bro. Something like that, bro. Shit. So it could be like a low taper and then we trim the back a little bit, or if you want to just keep the front and slick it back or something, or we can even do a blowout. So something like that, and then we can cut the back as well. Are you down?
Whoa, bro.
Let's do it, bro.
All right, bro. Bro, I'm fucking down.
Let's do it, bro.
I'm down as fuck. That shit looks
bro.
good. I want to save a little bit, getting close to about a year now.
Holy shit.
Yeah, dude.
Bro, this is needed. So I'm gonna shoot you the address right now, right? Okay?
For sure.
I got you. Thank you, bro. What's up, G? Give your IG.
What's up, bro?
We're giving shout outs to the shop. Yes. Chilling. How's it going, bro? You're cheating on me. You're cheating on me. Youngest barber in the game right here. Yeah, handle. I'm honestly thinking, bro, like still keeping these curtains right here. Maybe going about like right here with the curtains at the brow, making it flow back, giving you like a little low taper. So that's my rec. You can break it down for me.
Usually top majority of this off, and I'll have some on the top to kind of have that like puffy look.
This is how your hair just naturally falls. You had like a little Edgar flow, like going to the front with the taper hairline. Yeah. If you want to keep that look, we can do that. So it's just up to you.
It's all right. You know, I like that cut, but I kind of wanted to go with the blowout.
With the blowout? Okay.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah, man.
Let's get it.
Scared, but I'm ready.
Let's get it, bro. Why'd you go so long without getting a haircut, man?
My barber, out of nowhere, you know, he stopped replying to me on Instagram.
Damn, he ghosted you. Your barber ghosted you and shit? What'd you do to him?
I didn't do anything. I was trying to be loyal and stuff, but I hit up some of the other barbers at his shop and they're just like, oh yeah, he just stopped working here.
Oh shit.
That was the last time I ever got a haircut.
Damn, bro. Think like he was like going through shit and he just like was questioning like his barber. I've seen that shit happen, honestly, where like people be going through it and then they just stop.
Yeah.
They just stop cutting.
Hopefully it wasn't anything terrible or anything bad. So if you're watching this, sorry.
How long you been working at Target for?
I think it'll be 2 years October this year. So I've been there for a minute. I'm trying to get out, but.
What would be what's actually something that you want to do?
It's gonna sound crazy, but I've always thought about wanting to start a cartoon.
Nice, that's cool.
Yeah, like just do drawings, voiceovers, storyline of like, you know, whatever the cartoon would be.
What would be a good way for you to start? Have you ever tried putting your work out like that?
A good way to start would definitely probably be making just random cartoons on my own and posting shit on in social media. Besides that, I really wouldn't know.
You can start small too, man. I think that's something you can always start for fun, bro. Like, it just takes you just posting about it and putting yourself out there, you know?
Yeah, definitely.
Do you have an idea of a cartoon that you would want to start?
Honestly, I always thought that like kind of like stoner genre stuff was always funny, and I feel like that would be something that I want to incorporate into the cartoon. It'd most likely be an adult cartoon,
yeah,
like Family Guy or some shit. The way things are going, I might just get me a fucking trade, bro.
A what?
A trade.
Bro, that's a start, man. I think we always have to think about it, bro. Like, I think you don't want to be at Target, right, for the rest of your fucking life.
Definitely.
But
not.
a skill set is something, a trade, like you mentioned, is something you can work on and you can build and you can teach other people how to do it, sort of like barbering.
Yeah, definitely.
Right, and then you can always teach it, and I think when you start teaching it, that's when it starts becoming fun. And you can always monetize it, and you can always build your schedule around that. So if you do have a passion to do like drawing and stuff, you can work it around your schedule and to start having time for like your passion projects, you know?
Right. Or being at a job like Target, it kind of fucking just like freezes you in time because you get comfortable. It sucks. That mentality sucks, but it definitely creeps up because you don't pay attention to how much time is flying by.
Bro, facts.
And then you're like, oh shit, I'm about to have 2 years here. I told myself I wasn't gonna be here for not even 1 year.
Yeah. It's the Matrix, bro.
Literally.
It's the Matrix, brother.
That shit's catching up to me. That's why I left today. I was like, fuck Target right now. If they fire me, then they fire me. I'm not tripping. What would you say is the toughest part about barbering?
The start, when you got no clients, when you don't know how to do the work, when you get rejected, like you were saying, like what's your fear?
Yeah.
Rejection, for sure. It's the beginning. Barbering is a really tough thing to start, bro, but once you get going, it's really fun. But I think the part that separated me in the beginning was I enjoyed it. You know, I wanted to like mess somebody up. You know, like I was excited to like butch somebody, and I would like make fun of like my clients or whatever. It's because it was fun. It was in high school, you know.
Yeah.
But my grandparents found out that I dropped out at 22 from college. So best believe, bro, they wanted to send me back to Mexico. They wanted to do everything possible for me not to do this, bro. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do whatever the fuck it takes. I'm gonna cut hair in my bedroom. And that's what I did. 22, I had 153 bucks to my name. No college degree. My girlfriend had just left me at that time. But honestly, man, that was the best thing that ever happened to me. Yep. So as you guys can see, we're finished. We did a blowout taper. So essentially we tapered the lineup, we trimmed the top, and we hit the back with the low mid taper on the side, and we gave him that little flare out look that he wanted in the back. So he can freely kind of style this the way that he wants to. He can throw it forward, he can brush it back, he can do a little curtain, he can puff it up the way he wants to. It's just ultimately up to him. As far as product selection, I used some sea salt spray, I dried it out, then I threw a little bit of curl cream conditioner just to give his wavy hair some nice little flow so it's not as dry. But that's for the cut. Appreciate you guys. My guy here, he has one request. You guys have to blow this video up. He says he just doesn't want to work for Target anymore. He's done. So let's get this video, 1,000 likes, 10,000 likes, whatever. You gotta check out the cut.
Oh my god.
Let's get it.
Ooh, fuck, dude. Yo, you did magic on me. Yeah. Oh my god. This is the firest cut I think I've had ever in my fucking life, bro. I'm not even playing right now. I'll remember, bro. I swear to God, I think this is the best cut I've ever had in my life.
Let's get it, bro. This is gas, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Hey, my boy. Thank you, bro.
Thank
you.
This
happen,
yo.
Bro. This was cool. I'm excited, man. You guys hit me up. Should I go to Walmart? Who should I get for this video? Comment down below. Subscribe. Encourage me, guys. Keep me accountable. Don't let me fall off from these videos. I want to continue to bless just random strangers. So let's get it. Peace.